morning. It's 7 a.m. right now, except Shaya. Daddy and Justin are awake na. So, meron din silang COVID or Scala Care Kit. There's alcohol, may mask, and may wipes. And this is the view. Morning view.
Morning.
That's the restaurant on the top there.
Mommy, drone!
Drone? Saan? Ayun.
Yeah, somebody's flying the drone.
Someone's videoing. That's the view. Maganda doon sa taas, oh. Doon kita-kita mo.
Libre ko saan nga. Doon siguro kami yung mahal.
Si Kuya ata nagdadrone eh.
Siya ba? Dali, say hi. The drone.
My drone. And that's the pool in the morning. Not on the water. Oh, yeah. Okay. Bababa tayo dun, oh. Meron dong, tingin na view.
You want to go down to get it?
Mami, ano mo na yung shirt mo? Wala pang sa akin.
Binaba na ni Kuya.
Ayun, may bababa niya.
Good morning, Bunso. How's your sleep? Good? Good sleep? Opo. How's your sleep? Okay? Huh? Wake up ka na. Breakfast time na. Si Kuya nagbe-breakfast na ng pizza.
Ito ba yung kay ining na ano? Yung...
This is the morning view. That's the pool. And the view.
More pizza.
The restaurant.
Where's my more pizza?
And for pizza, Kuya? Okay.
Yummy, yummy.
Amazing. Taal Volcano, Justin.
Wow.
Good morning.
Going to the Bellissima restaurant for breakfast. And Kuya is pabebe. What's coming? And after that, we're going swimming.
May pizza?
Oh, goodness gracious, crust. Kuya is pabebe boy. Hello, sweetie pie. Baliktad naman yung iyong ano eh. Trap sa baba.
May pusa?
Doon sa ano.
Pwede pa lang pusa dito.
Hindi, baka naka...
Sunod ko na lang kayo.
Press G. Not press G. Yay.
Hi!
Hi.
Hi, Bunso.
Ito ang aking kuyang pabebe. Yung salamin ko naiwan ko sa ano? Sa...
Saan ka?
Ano ba ito? L1?
Labi na.
Hindi ko
Yung
yan tatap.
nag-press. Kaya ano,
L1.
nag-stop siya.
So, iba natin yung charger.
Wow! rice. And I got this. We have garlic rice and lemon with hot dog. Anong juice mo na? Iced tea? Ito, orange juice.
I'll be tall.
Yeah. And you sleep a lot too. So here, dito tayo sa view.
Over there.
Say hi to class. Hi, class.
We live over
It's hot
there.
na.
And our house, do you see it? Our house there.
That's Talisay. That's Batangas.
What's over there?
Ah, that one is part of Tagaytay din, ata. I don't know the place.
What is that? Live?
Yan yung nag-ano,
Ano yan, live?
erupt na. Hindi.
With the stall volcano.
Okay, ready? Ay, bunso.
Hi.
Init
Where are
ba? So hot. Nasa yung stroller natin.
Ayun, pool.
Para sa pool.
That's the hotel room.
Go now. Let's go to
Skyline,
the
pakita mo, ah.
pool.
Sky Ranch. Parang wala pa to dati, no?
Alright.
Itong Iskala,
Wala
nadaanan
na
na.
ano.
Nung may Sky Ranch tayo. Talaga.
Swerte na may bahay
We're
din.
here at the elevator. We're done eating breakfast. Ito na ba yun? Oh, ito na. Dito na tayo sa pool. This little guy is going to the pool.
Kid, that kid is so excited. This kid is so excited.
Let's go.
Charger dito.
Wala siguro. Heidi.
Hi.
Pwede tayong bumaba doon, no? Kitang-kita yung view.
Look at that, Justin.
shower and change. Check out namin ay 2.
What time is it?
Natawag ko papa. Natawag ko
10
papa.
a.m.
10.
See you later. Yan, nag-aantay sila.
Sila.
Ay, bless you. Dito na kami sa balcony namin. Mainit na doon sa baba, kaya umakit na kami. Galing naman mag-swimming mo. Galing mag-swimming na po. Ayan. Super init na. Ganda na.
Saya, pero parang saya.
Shalala in the morning. Hi, Justin.
Are you cold?
Next time, swimming tayo.
Lamig eh.
Lamig lang kasi.
Dapat may heater yan.
May baby. Kaya nga eh. Comment mo dun sa kanila. Ay, Shaya. We're done shower. Daddy na lang. We're at the balcony. Ganda naman ang view. Ito yung pool. Ito si Kuya. Kuya! Nawash lang namin sila. Nagsuswimming. Tanghaling tapat na po. Nagsuswimming pa sila. Ang ganda ng taal, oh. Check out na kami.
Hey!
It's
Pauwi na kami.
Even the cellphone.